Happy Monday! I wanted to show you how to make an inexpensive wreath that requires almost no mental energy. All you're gonna need is to go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's or Joann's or whatever craft store and find one of their pre-made bouquets. You're gonna wanna look for one that has 3 different sizes. So my peony is huge, and then there are a couple of good sized roses, and then these little hydrangeas, and if you can find one that has some fufura like this that you like, that's going to be helpful too. So we're going to start by cutting off all of the flowers. What's so great about going this route is that they've done all the guesswork for you. You don't have to figure out what's going to look good together. You just have to use what they've already put together for you. And I didn't count on this part of it taking so long. I'm sorry about this, guys. Man, I'm just really not good at estimating how long things take. Does anyone else have that issue? Is that the story of anyone else's life? Because that's mine. So this dahlia, I love. I actually have other plans for this little flower. So I think I'm just about there. I actually don't know how long this whole process is gonna take me, but if I'm trying to help someone make a wreath that doesn't have a whole lot of time on their hands, it'll be good for them to have a realistic picture of how long it's gonna take. So my preferred method is to start with the biggest piece and build out from there. I like it I like it a little bit off center because I like a little bit of, I don't know, I feel like it adds some visual interest. And I can't think of the word, maybe it'll come to me in a second. Oh, and it's a little bit asymmetrical. I love asymmetry. I think it's just fun. It adds some movement and some flow. So your biggest one, and then the next biggest right next to it. And then we're gonna play with these ones. Oh, I didn't get this one cut off. Sorry, little guy. You're still important. Okay. So, we'll put these two together down here. And this one, big ol' one, can go up at the top. I have to figure out what to do with this little rose. He'll be a fun little treat down here at the bottom. Happy little rose. I think it's a rose, maybe it's a carnation. All right, now we get to put in the fufura. Oh, actually, these leaves are gonna be great. So we're gonna do the leaves. Add a little green. Green is always fun when you're doing a wreath. All right, now fufura time. How much fufura do I have to work with? I have 4 pieces of fufura. Just shove them right in there. It's gonna make your life a lot easier when you're gluing it. There we go. And I'm gonna have to take a minute to pull off the price tag, which I really should have done before I started this. But you don't know until you get started sometimes what you're gonna have to do. There we go. All right. Okay, so now we just get to glue everything in place. So this is the how to make it inexpensively part. This wreath is $5 at Hobby Lobby. You take the perpetual 40% off coupon that is always available, and that makes it 3. And then this bouquet was $13, so $6.50. So for under $10, you have all the makings of this beautiful, beautiful wreath. Now we just glue everything in place. When I first started doing these wreaths, I don't know why I did this. I would figure out the design, and then I would take everything off and then re-glue it back one piece at a time. And it was super frustrating because it was hard to remember where exactly everything went. And then it dawned on me, I can just glue them in place. Why am I not doing this? All right, we're over halfway there. And let's see. I mean, it's under $10 if you already have a glue gun and glue sticks. I had to back off doing videos for a little while to get ready for the event, the vending event that never happened, and then try to regroup and get ready for another one. Let's see, I do have some more painting videos in mind that I want to do, but those I found out need 30 days to cure before you can seal them, and I needed something that I could sell at the upcoming events right away. So that's why I switched to wreaths. The first thing I ever made that someone was like, oh my gosh, I want to buy that, was a wreath. Their reaction was actually, please tell me you have an Etsy store so I can buy a wreath. I didn't, but that kind of clued me in that, okay, I'm on the right track with these things. Did I get this little guy? Yes, I did. Okay, and there we go. And I'm about to find out exactly how long that took. So, under $10, you have this beautiful guy. Or gal. I guess she looks more like a gal. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.